Stop focusing on what you don't have. Yeah, stop focusing on what you do not have. So what if you do not have the office on the 16th floor? So what if you don't have 20,000 in the bank? So what if you do not have that fancy work truck driving around town? So many people focus on what they do not have, what they don't have. They get stuck. They get stuck. They never started their business. And all they need to do is just focus on what they have working for them, what they have that's gonna let them start. They just get stuck. I know I don't got this, I don't got that. I'm gonna share with you guys a story. When I started my window cleaning business, I had a Chrysler Town and Country, bucket seats, right? Roof rack where I can put my ladders on top. It was perfect. It was perfect work vehicle. Then the transmission went out. The transmission go bye-bye, time to go. I got it rebuilt and the transmission said bye-bye once again. So now I'm with a Hyundai Sonata, this car that I'm in right now, a Hyundai Sonata. It's a 09 Hyundai Sonata. And I could have let that stop me because I do not have adequate space anymore to pack all my work stuff. Didn't have anything to put my ladders on up top. But I didn't focus on that. I focused on what I had. I focused on that I have something. I have something that can still get the job done. With a few modifications, I can still get the job done. I bought a roof rack, put on top of the car, because my everyday work as far as window cleaning didn't require a 24-foot ladder every single day. So I still could go get the jobs done, right? So don't get stuck. Don't get stuck on what you don't have. Don't get stuck on what you don't have. Focus on what you do have. What you have right now that can make you go ahead and start that business. What you have at your disposal right now that will allow you to move one step further into start your business. So guess what? Don't listen to the noise. Don't listen to the noise. Don't focus on what you don't have. Focus on what you do have that will allow you to start that business. I promise you, you ain't gonna regret it. I promise you, you ain't gonna regret it. But the time you stay there pondering, wandering, complaining, talking about what you don't have because of this, you're gonna be there just sitting, not doing anything. So focus on what you do have, because you got a lot. You have a lot right now that you can use, that you have to start that business. So go ahead, jump, take that jump. It's free to jump into entrepreneurship. It's free to jump into entrepreneurship. No one is stopping you. It's free. If you get value from this video, leave a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and guess what? Look out for another video. We got them coming. Thank you for tuning in.